everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're going to do something really very exciting. I'm going to review two lipsticks from Smashbox. So recently I put up a post on my Instagram. I asked you guys whether if you'd like to watch more reviews on my channel, and you guys responded really well. So I thought I'll put mini reviews on my channel once in a month or once in a week according to my schedule. So I hope you guys enjoy. We're going to review Smashbox lipsticks. I've heard a lot about these two shades, that is Gulabe and Boss. So I really wanted to give this a try, and luckily one of my friends gave it to me as a gift, so I didn't really have to spend and burn a hole in my pocket. So to start with, this is how the packaging looks like. It's the Always On Mini Matte Duo. These are mini lipsticks and they retail for 990 rupees, that is almost 1000 bucks, and the quantity is 0.9 ml, which is too less. So okay, let's get started with the swatches. I know that's what you guys have been waiting for, so let's begin with the swatches. So the applicator is really very nice. Dude. Okay. So this is what the shade looks like. Beautiful shade, but unfortunately it doesn't look that great on me. It kind of washes me out. So I have a whitish skin tone, so it kind of looks good on me, but I still feel that, you know, if it can wash me out. It's a very cool tone, muted pink color, but I don't think so it will look good on our dark dusky beauties. The sad part is that it is meant for Indian skin tone, you know, Shobita Dhulipala. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. It sounds more like Dua Lipa. So she has got a gorgeous Indian skin tone, and this shade really looked great on her, but I feel that this will wash out our dark Indian beauties. If you have like 2 or 3 shades lighter than me, you will really pull it off well, but for Indian skin tone I don't think so this shade is gonna work. So coming to the applicator, guys, it's so good, it's so easy to apply. So coming to the packaging, it's really very cute, very travel friendly. Also the applicator is so nice. It's kind of slightly bent so that, you know, you can apply really well in the inner corners of your lips, and also it kind of works as an lip liner, because you're able to, you know, draw your lips really very smoothly, and it also gives a very pouty finish. Skin over here is quite light, so it's always advisable to swatch here. So I'm just going to do that for you guys, and you can decide for yourself. The applicator is really good. One swatch is enough. गाइस बहुत महंगा है, मैं ज़्यादा swatch नहीं कर सकती हूँ, इससे कम चला रहा हूँ. The formula is really good. It's really very non-drying formula. It also feels light on my lips. It doesn't feel very heavy on my lips, and one swatch was enough to cover my lips because it's that pigmented. It's really pigmented. It gives a very opaque finish. It gives a very beautiful finish. You know, there's no transparency and something of that sort which we usually, you know, experience when we apply liquid lipstick. So I feel the formula is really good, although it kind of, you know, accentuates the fine lines that I have on my lips. 6 to 7 hours, it has got a very good build up on your lips. Unless you eat biryani or any oily thing, it won't come out, it won't budge. So so it's really very long lasting. So this is how the lip color looks on me. I really like this shade. It's really very subtle, very beautiful, but also it kind of washes me out. I mean, I can't really decide. If you wear a good heavy eye makeup look, it'll really good look because it's a very neutral color, but I don't think so it's worth. Also it's transfer proof. थोड़ा सा आता है, but फिर भी, you know, ज़्यादा ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होता है, and I really like the formula. So yeah, those were my 2 cents on Gulabe. Now let's try the other lip shade that I have, that is Boss. Okay, so next we're going to try Boss. This one I feel is in collaboration with Lilly Singh. She happens to be one of my favorite YouTubers. I saw her endorsing this 2-3 years ago, and it looked so good on her. Like literally, she looked like a boss. So I really wanted to try this one out ever since. So today I have this lip shade right in my hands. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of lip balm and then start. See, as you guys can see, एक ही swipe में almost आधा lips मेरे cover हो गए. Alright guys, so this is how the lip shade looks on me. Not a big fan of it. I mean, it has got this orange yellowish undertone which I think really doesn't complement my skin. I mean, it does, but I'm not a big fan of it personally. I don't like such lipstick because I think it makes me look a little trashy, very tacky, and yes, but it's a gorgeous shade. Like, it instantly lifts up your whole look. Like, wear something white, a white kurta, white chikankari or something, and apply this lip color, you look really good. But no, I mean, I'm still not sure. It kind of looks neon, you know. It has got that neon undertone. I'm not a big fan of it. What do you guys think? Like, what do you guys think? Does it look good on me? So yep. Again, the applicator is so good guys that you don't really need a lip liner. इसका applicator इतना अच्छा है कि अच्छे से corners में भी जाके it's able to apply the lip shades, and beautiful formula. It gives that pouty finish, it gives that volume to your lips. I really like it, but I don't think so that I'll be wearing this lip shade often because you guys know I'm more of a neutral lip color person. But if you guys like red color, it will look good on you. Again, not really meant for dusky beauties, but still you can pull it off. I'm still unsure about this one. I mean, it's a pretty shade, no doubt at all. It's a beautiful red shade, but I don't see myself wearing this a lot. But for festive occasions and, you know, when you really have to glam up, you can consider wearing this one. It's a beautiful shade, but not really worth 2100 rupees or even 950. To conclude, I feel that it's really not meant for Indian beauties. So yep, that was my take on Smashbox Gulab and Bows. Yep, that's how she calls it. Okay, so yeah guys, these were my mini reviews on it. I hope you guys got an idea of how the shade looks on me so that you can also decide for yourself. If you ask me my honest opinion about it, I feel that it's really not worth it. It's overhyped, and आपको इससे अच्छे shades दूसरे brands में भी मिल सकते हैं. The rest is up to you. So the other day I was going through my YouTube analytics and I discovered that a lot of you guys enjoy makeup videos, a lot of you guys enjoy review lipstick videos and all, so I'm gonna do that more. So let me know what all do you guys want to see on my channel. Your suggestions are always welcome. If at all it fits in my schedule, I'll definitely do it. So with that being said, I'm gonna wind up. Thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me, and thank you so much for suggesting me such review ideas. Let me know what you want me to do next. Let me know. I'm planning to do more of comparison videos on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Till then, bye, take care.